Good morning. I hope you guys are having such a good day. I just wrapped up filming yesterday's video, but it's still the same day. But I have so much to do today. I'm off today. So there's so much I want to get done. So it is bright and early. I have been trying to stay focused, stay on track because it is the day. Today is the day the Halloween stuff comes out of the closet. It's like the Harry Potter of closets. It's the oversized Harry Potter, what I had it as dream closet because it's so flippin' big. But we're getting in there. We are getting in there, but also I think I gotta go to Walmart. There was a couple things I wanted to get there still. I had a couple things delivered, but there are returns. I need lights just to make everything amazing. So we managed to do that. But before I can do the things, before I can reward myself with getting all of my festivities out, I have to clean because it's a mess. It's been a busy couple days. I came back not feeling well. I had, I think, a sinus infection of some kind. It was not pleasant. So now I have a gazillion things to do. I haven't cleaned. Everything needs to freshen up. So I'm gonna show you that today. And I love when people will show like, oh, my house is dirty. No, my house is gross. I'm gonna show you the gross. I'm gonna show you the dust bunnies, the things. I'm going to be real life, real mom here with a real house trying to get her life in order. Like dishes in the sink. We got hair fluffing around here. I haven't dusted. So before I can do anything else today, I have to clean. Literally all I've cleaned in a week is one bathroom. I have to like get around this entire house and clean, but we can do this. We can do this. I have a feeling I can clean my house in an hour. Like I even think less than an hour because I don't let it get too bad and I try and stay on top of it, but it's a little bad at the moment. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the house. We're gonna get everything cleaned up and then we're gonna get into the Halloween closet. And then we're gonna probably go to Walmart and get some lights and cobwebs and all the little things before I can have it like illuminated. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait to, can I just say one thing? Have you guys been seeing those like Instagram reels and you know, like shorts, and it's like you're trying to like decorate for fall and all the things, and then all of a sudden you hear a car go by and they're playing Mariah Carey Christmas music? That is my brain. That's my brain right now. I'm trying to be in all the Halloween moods, all the Halloween vibes, but I got all I want for Christmas in my head. It's who I am, it's in my soul. I literally drink Christmas coffee every single day. I am a Christmas girly. I am a Christmas thing. And you guys, I cannot wait for Christmas this year. I can't wait. I cannot wait. But we're doing Halloween first and we're gonna do it right. So stay tuned. Let's get the house cleaned up. Let this be motivation for you too, and to like not be so flipping aesthetic. Our houses aren't perfect. Our houses get dirty. We get behind. There's lots of stuff going on, but let's make it right today.
Silver line, one of a kind.
All right, on to the bathroom. The bathroom I just cleaned a couple days ago, but she needs a little more. Like I did the baseboards, a surface clean and stuff like that. So I did part of a deep clean, but I need to do more. And problem with these floors is they like look dirty, but they're not. Trust me, I've tried to clean them. Like that's a dirt spot. That looks a little dirty, but see how there's like variation in the tile? That's how it is, and it drives me nuts. So this was what I love to show too, is like, this is not aesthetic. I have been on my bath game and I love it, but we need to clean up the things. My husband puts his clothes there. We could do better than this. So we're gonna try and work in here now, get it to at least a 9 and make things a bit better. But you can see it's a big bathroom and that tub is like a hot tub. It is huge. It is like a pool for me. So I really enjoy that, but I just want to touch up in here. Probably won't take me too long, but everything else is looking so much better, you guys. It's coming along, but I definitely want to get in here because then if the house is done, I'll just feel so much better. This looks so much better. You guys, I struggle so bad with outlets in this house. I don't know why it's so bad, but like this outlet is in an appropriate spot. I think this looks horrible. But then we have an outlet here, outlet here, outlet here. Why isn't there an outlet there? This would make my life so much easier if there would just be an outlet. And I know the light is kind of like banny when I have it, when I have these on. I don't know why those lights do that, but I cleaned all the appliances. I wiped everything down. There was a lot you didn't see too. Like I literally cleaned the garbage can. I wiped down all of the cabinets, got everything cleaned up, kind of dusted this whole area. I need to now vacuum, but I'm gonna vacuum at the very end after I kind of start this room because like, look at the dust bunnies. Can you guys see all? This is literally like a day and a half of having a lab. Like there's just dust bunnies everywhere. I don't know, can you guys see that? Gross. We need to clean. We're gonna have this all cleaned up. Also too, I know the cord doesn't look good, but I have to have my stuff on remotes. Like I have to, and I have bought a rug in here now twice, and I've returned them now twice because I just don't like the way they look. I'm really struggling with decorating, you guys. I never have this hard of a time, but I think it's because the floors are red and I'm really trying to work with that. You guys saw I changed out all the furniture to try and work with that until we redo the floors, but that's going to be a long time. So I'm struggling. If you guys have decorating ideas, anything, I will take it in that info box down below.
Child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time.
Well, I think this is a much better start. I need to redo the shelves because I just put a bunch of the pictures that were out in the living room on here and it just looks chaotic. To be honest, I'd rather have it sit empty than have it look like this. Again, I'm a less is more and this is like too much. So this I think looks so much better, all cleaned off. I then went and kind of dusted all of this off. This is where my kids charge their like iPads and that. I would like to put my ring light out or away, but I just don't think that's gonna happen right now because I have so much filming that I'm doing. And then same for out here. I feel like I want to redo this, but again, we're gonna leave it for right now. Everything is dusted, fresh, and clean. So I think that's kind of what counts. I also think I'm gonna be redoing this table again. The black I think was great for the last house. I just don't think it works great now. So I think we're gonna leave it for Halloween and then probably November I might redo it. I haven't quite decided. You just never know. You guys will be along for the entire ride. Also too, you guys didn't see, but I cleaned up the guest bedroom and then there's a full bathroom right here. I cleaned up there. I cleaned up upstairs. I have a spot in mind that I want to clean or put up for that. I also cleaned up in here as well, dusted all of this off, the big cabinet and that in here, all the windowsills I cleaned, the weights I even dusted, I cleaned the big mirror. This was in the entryway, but I decided to bring it in here for right now because I'm always so indecisive and I want to get back into weights and having a mirror will help for my form. But it's all looking so much better. I fluffed up the couch. This is some goodies that I need to be decorating with, so we'll set that there for now because that's gonna happen here very shortly. Living room looks so much better. I just opened up all those boxes, so I'm gonna go put that stuff away. But again, so much better. The cord, it looks horrible. I did just order a brown cord to not have it look like so stand out, but I just can't find a rug. Like I literally cannot find a rug that will look halfway decent that doesn't clash with these couches and the chair. The chair and the couches are just slightly different, but they're like a taupey, beigey cream, if that makes sense. So I'm trying to find something to match, but sometimes it just doesn't look good. And I think too, before I go farther with decorating the house, I'm gonna enjoy the holidays and enjoy decorating with that. But I think it all in all looks so much better. Got all my pile of stuff that I had out here to put away in the garage and that. Put all of that away, cleaned all of this up. I set this up. Also too, if you're looking at this spider thing, I don't know if I've shared this before. I think I have. At night, it's a night vision camera and it records and everything and it will look out. Usually the deer kind of come back in here and then they kind of come in or they come in here on the side of the house. But this will kind of help. And then we have cameras back there that we can watch the deer and have them come in. But yeah, all in all, it looks good. Also too, I didn't share, but I dusted this whole thing and got that all cleaned up. I got a different cord because see this big gap? It sticks out. So I got a new one. So my husband's gonna help me do this flat one and then all the plugins will be underneath and then it'll at least sit flat. But it all looks so much better. I would like to find a spot for this, but I think I might use it for the dogs. Like when Harley has his food at night, this will be his cute little placemat. I can just wash it. I have laundry going, but all in all, looks so much better. Well, I think the house looks so much better. I am hot and sweaty though. I don't know what I was thinking wearing a sweatshirt all day. Not gonna happen. I think we're gonna have to put on a t-shirt and shorts. But I'm so happy that this got done because now I feel like I have a fresh start. I do still need to mop, but my vacuum just died. So I need to wait till it charges. And then, or I need to get out the big one and I hate the big one. So I think I'm just gonna run to Walmart and do my little things before we get started decorating the house. I am so happy to be sharing everything with you guys. So make sure you are subscribed and turn on the notification bell so you guys will be notified every time a new video comes out, which right now is every day. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, do me a favor, give it a big thumbs up and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.